This is Jay with Damon Buys Houses, and this is our second and final installment of Blue Spruce. So just real quick, on the outside, not a whole lot has changed. Power wash, did some stuff with the grounds, and then the deck, we painted that. There was an air conditioner in the window, so it has a brand new HVAC system now, so no more of that. Oh, and when you get to the door, I had that janky chain. No more janky chain, it's gone. We just got the regular arm. Good news is it's already under contract. We fixed it up, we put it on the market, and within days it's sold. So that's why this is our final installment, because it's already gone. So I'll take you inside, let's go. So here we are on the deck where it was freshly painted, looks much better. The door with the arm, no janky chain. See, all good. So come on in. So kitchen, looks a lot like before. Now has a brand new refrigerator. The countertops are all sealed and ready to go. Cabinets have been spruced up, new hardware, and this is in here now, and you can see through, which I like. And then if you come this way, brand new HVAC system. It had to be done. The old one was on its last leg, so we got rid of it. Stuff that's gonna fail in it, because that just looks bad, and it's bad business. So we don't do it. So this is the living room. Go in here, you got the master bedroom. Ensuite. Looks phenomenal. So obviously stand-up shower, toilet, fan, which was replaced, vanity, new lighting, new mirror, new everything, because it's all new. And then closet, looks just like a closet. We have the two other bedrooms, which paint, lighting, closet. And here, same thing. New thermostat. So this one, no carpet, because we kept the floor that was in here. Paint as well, new lighting, closet. And then you have bathroom here. So this didn't change much, I just kind of cleaned it up. And then back here, laundry room, which goes out to the other deck, which we painted the same as the front deck. And there's your new HVAC, which is huge, holy cow. No wonder it costs so much. But anyway, and then you have this awesome space, which is private-ish, but I like it because it's nice and flat, which if you're from this area, flat doesn't exist. So this is nice and flat. It does. It stores stuff. It's a shed. Hey, so this is the shed, Blue Spruce. You can see it's a great size and has power and a little ramp. This would be perfect for like a motorcycle or a couple. That is our tour of Blue Spruce, and it's sold, so this will be the last of Blue Spruce. Thanks guys. Jay with Damon Buys Houses. Click it, ding it, subscribe, like, all that stuff. And I'll see you next time. Thanks.